So now it's a matter of we want to get this out to our students so that they can begin to complete this assignment, put in information if that would be what you want to do, or like what we're going to try to do is just put in a video for a couple of these. But what we can do is if you take the link here, you'll notice that at the top it has this little edit button here. And so if I was to, I'm gonna take this and we're gonna copy this over, and I'm gonna remove this piece here, and I'm just going to do copy. I'm gonna type in copy, and then it's gonna give me this page. And this is what we actually want to save or send to the students. So if you're in Google Classroom, or something or whatever learning management system, you can pull this uh, link and send that to the students so that the minute that they click on that link or that it's entered into their browser, they can just click make a copy, and that's going to automatically generate their own copy for them, which is going to be associated with their Google account. And then likewise too, it's really nice for like if you're using Google Classroom, they'll have their own copy of it as well to turn in. So that's how you do that. You just take that link, paste it in, and then we just remove the back end, put copy, and there we go. And you can do that with any of your slideshows that you have.